If you're spending long hours at your desk, an ergonomic workspace can make all the difference for your health and productivity. Today, we're going to share 10 essential tips and tricks to create a healthier and more comfortable work environment. Plus, at the end, we'll talk about the long-term benefits of following these tips. Let's get started. Tip 1. Adjust your chair height. Make sure your chair is set so that your feet are flat on the floor and your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Advantage: this helps reduce strain on your lower back and legs, promoting better posture. Tip 2. Use a lumbar support. A proper backrest or lumbar cushion can provide crucial support to your lower back. Advantage: it minimizes slouching and relieves pressure on your spine, reducing back pain. Tip 3. Position your monitor at eye level. Ensure your monitor is directly in front of you and your eyes are level with the top of the screen. Advantage: this reduces neck strain and prevents you from hunching forward. Tip 4. Keep your keyboard and mouse close. Place your keyboard and mouse at a comfortable reach, so your elbows are close to your body. Advantage: this reduces strain on your shoulders and wrists, lowering the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Tip 5. Use an adjustable desk. If possible, use a sit-stand desk that allows you to alternate between sitting and standing throughout the day. Advantage: alternating positions reduces fatigue, improves circulation, and helps prevent back pain. Tip 6. Maintain good lighting. Ensure your workspace is well lit, using natural light or task lighting to reduce eye strain. Advantage: good lighting helps prevent headaches and improves focus, enhancing your overall productivity. Tip 7. Keep your feet supported. If your chair doesn't allow your feet to rest flat, use a footrest. Advantage: proper foot support improves circulation and reduces pressure on your lower back. Tip 8. Take frequent breaks. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Advantage: this helps reduce eye strain and refreshes your mind, improving focus throughout the day. Tip 9. Use ergonomic accessories. Consider an ergonomic keyboard, mouse, and wrist rest to further support comfortable hand positioning. Advantage: these accessories reduce the risk of conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome. Tip 10. Keep your workspace organized. Clutter can contribute to mental stress and poor posture. Keep your desk clean and organized. Advantage: an organized space allows for more efficient movements and a stress-free work environment. Benefits of following these tips: by implementing these ergonomic adjustments, you'll experience several key benefits. Improved posture reduces back and neck pain, promoting better spinal health. Enhanced productivity due to reduced physical discomfort and mental fatigue. Prevention of repetitive strain injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome and eye strain. Boosted energy levels and better focus, making you more efficient throughout the day. In the long run, these changes can lead to better overall health and reduce the risk of chronic pain, helping you feel your best at work and beyond. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you next time.